I request Sri Ramasubbu sir to deliver his speech.
I'm very happy in this glorious occasion that our Prime Point Foundation, our Prime Point Foundation leader, Srinivasan, I thank every one of you, our leader, and also our team for doing a very good job, excellent work. You are expressing, you are revealing out for the people what is the parliamentarians are doing there in the parliament. How you are selecting the outstanding parliamentarians and you are showing exhibit to this our nation. These are all the people. They are really working in the parliament. We thanks for this. First of all, I thank for the Prime Point Foundation and Mr. Srinivasan. Today, it's a great occasion. Our great leader, my leader, our Congress party leader, and he is a minister, cabinet minister of the law minister, and also petroleum minister in my period. And he was a former chief minister also. Sri Veerappa Moiriji accept to launch my e-book, Parliamentary Works. Mr. Srinivasan sir asked our leader to launch my e-book here. I really proud of this one and privilege. It is a very great privilege for me. Today that our leaders here, our Honorable Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, he is my colleague. We are competing each other always to come, who is come first or second. And our not only leader, my brother, Sri Karvenderji, he has told how many works I have done in the parliament. And also Narendraji is a great leader and he is the advisor to Narasimha Rao-ji. It's very great thing he came here. And also our Ansaraji, he is my also colleague, he was a minister also. And Madam Gurji, you have organized this Prime Point Foundation in many occasions, really very great. And also Srinivasa Gopal and Sridhar Raj, all are coordinating for this meeting. Really, I am very happy and thank all of you. So it is a very great thing that in the first occasion during 15th Lok Sabha, 2010, I think, at that time, Prime Point Foundation, Srinivasan invited me that we are going to honor, Prime Point Foundation honor you. You are in the 4th place, I think the Adusil and Ansaraji and also Arjun Meghwal, all are and myself, 4 people we are going to honor. Our Abdul Kalam ji also going to give the appreciation to you. You please come to the meeting. I came there, the 4 leading parliamentarians. Arjun Meghwal is a minister and also he is really is a very good parliamentarian, performed parliamentarian in parliament. He is my friend. And also Ansaraji also. And Anand Aduzil is always number 1. He is Sivasena, I think. I am from Congress party. Now, when always that I am telling among the people, we are a good parliamentarian, we are performed parliamentarian. How is it possible to show the people? All the people are speaking. Always pandemonium is prevailing in parliament. always shouting is there in parliament. But we, not only myself, not only ours, there are so many parliamentarians, good achievers, good workers. They are there in parliament. They are working for the people, and they are speaking for the development of this nation, and they are speaking for the democracy, to protect the democracy also. But these parliamentarians should have to be appreciated. This work was done by Prime Point Foundation. That is very important. You are showing us to the nation. They are working hard. Really, we are telling, we worked very hard. Arjun Makwalji knows very well. He is BJP, but I am in this side, Congress party. We are up to 10 o'clock. We will be there in parliament for the important matters. We are waiting for to speak there at the parliament. So in such a way, we work very hard. And at the same time, I'm telling that our Veerappa Moiliji is an eminent scholar. Not only he got award for the finance committee also. Not only is an eminent scholar, he really is a very good leader. In my party, he is guiding us in, when he is very humble and simple, but he is a brilliant person. When he was in the ministry, his petroleum ministry, the Kacha oil was very high level, but the price of the petrol is very low. This is the achievements of these great leaders. This is for this nation. He is working for this nation, whatever it may be. He done a good job at the ministry. So in this way, it is the opportunity for us, our people elected and into the parliament. We worked for the people, for the nation. We are having duties, and such duties, especially I'm always talking about, in many occasions, minimum support price we have to give to the farmers. This is a very important speech in all the places, because 50% of the people depending upon agriculture, they must get the minimum support price. It must be legalized one. If it is legalized, they get the minimum support price. They will be protected. This is my argument always. This argument, this is for the agriculture people. Most of the peoples are depending upon agriculture. That is why I'm always supporting these agriculture people to protect these people. Still they are fighting. And also I worked for this is national level speeches. These are all Kudangulam project. This is a problematic one in my constituency. Anyhow, I worked and I fight. And also I convince the people to bring this project for the production of the electricity. These are all in the parliament announced. And also this double track from Madurai to Kanyakumari. Now the work was going on. If we have these type of important speeches, we have to speak in parliament. Parliament is a higher forum. This is a top. This is a only forum that we have to say the views of the people. The people words. We are the speaker to the people. We are the representative of the people. We have to represent their words, their voices to the parliament. If you are not speaking anything in the parliament, it is very difficult to achieve anything. Our Karvendiji told, I did a lot for this constituency. It is because of his speech. He spoke well in the parliament. All of these eminent parliamentarians performed a lot and done a lot. But your award is encouraging us and also giving more incentives, and also it is very, very much helpful to do my work very actively in the parliament. It is Prime Point Foundation's work is really a very great work, and the ebook now launched by our leaders here, our Arjun Makwalji came here, and also my leader, my great leader, our Maili sir came here to introduce my speeches. It is really great, and very, very thanks for Prime Point Foundations and also my leaders here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I think it's only in Prime Point Foundation where we can see leaders from oppositions also, appreciating the efforts of your different ideologies in political arena. Thank you so much for that, sir. And